Thank you for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing right now.
The easiest way to get a URL copied from a desktop or notebook computer to a mobile device, say like an iPhone or an Android device, is by using a QR code. So the easiest way to generate a QR code for a web page, at least that I've seen, is by using a Google Chrome extension with either Google Chrome or Chromium Nightly builds. I'm running a Chromium Nightly right here. QR Relay is what you're looking at right here. So once installed, and yes, it is free, the icon appears right next to the Omnibar. QR code can be generated for this particular web page. I then take a corresponding app. This one happens to be on an iPhone, something called Quicker. The reason why I'm using it is for a few different reasons. I'll demonstrate in just a second. So we're going to go ahead and scan that QR code with the camera. Merely hover over it, and in a couple seconds' time, it snaps it. The URL is copied to the clipboard. And then I'm able to load that very same web page right here on my iPhone. Kind of neat. So one of the reasons why I happen to like the Quicker app on the iPhone is because I can create a QR code for a URL, piece of text, contact, phone, or SMS dynamically. So if I say for text, what kind of text do I want to create a QR code for, blah, 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 create, guess I got to give it a couple seconds. And that QR code is generated for that random piece of text. I can save the image, and the neat thing is that I could set that as the lock screen wallpaper. So if I drop my phone, someone could take a picture of it with a QR code reader and get more information about that phone, like if I put it in text or a phone number, SMS, contact information, or a URL. So there you go. There are many ways to generate QR codes. This, however, in my travels across the web has been the easiest and certainly the cheapest way. So there you go. QR Relay, a free plugin for Google Chrome, which is kind of becoming my default browser. Actually, the Chromium Nightly builds are my default browser, but for all intents and purposes, it's the same thing. And the QR Relay application plugin installs right there within the browser. Look at that. You can make it nice and big. A lot of dots there. Hey, maybe you know of an easier way? Let me know. Email address chris@pirillo.com. Please drop me a line, especially if you know of any other awesome Google Chrome extensions that would work with either Google Chrome or the Chromium Nightly builds, as I happen to be running. Yes, I have other plugins installed, but I'll save those for future videos in terms of demonstrating what they do. Geeks.pirillo.com, chris.pirillo.com. Of course, you know you can find me, facebook.com/chrispirillo. And we have quite a few people who are responsive in the threads that I post. Some things that I don't actually do videos on, but I send links off to, like the Open Market or the Harmonious app. These are things that I'm probably not going to do videos on. So if you want to discover more, you can follow me on Facebook or Twitter, @ChrisPirillo. And of course, you can find me streaming live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and even if I'm not there, there is a Google Chrome extension that will show you that I'm not there, usually. And there's also a chat room where we are typically talking tech, or at least the people inside the community are, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at live.pirillo.com. We'll see you later.